Hey guys, I'm Kolie and I'm going to do an unboxing for the Oriens Animal Tarot. Look what came today. Isn't it beautiful? Look at those colors. I'm just loving the colors, even the box. And this is by Rockpool Publishing. This is the back of it. Okay, let's open it here. I did purchase it on Amazon. I think it's around 25 bucks. Get it while it's good. But this is the, we'll get to that in just a second because I know you guys want to look at the deck. But this came in it. It says Rockpool Oracle Reading Cards. App available. That's cool. Okay. So it came in this box. Take this off here. Look at the size, the gilded size. Pretty, shiny. This is the back of the cards. Oh, now they are thin. They're definitely thin. It has a matte finish. One up there. It has a matte finish. And so let's go ahead and dive in the deck and get started, you guys. Pull the camera down. Okay, there we go. So this is the full. I love this animal deck. I love the colors. As you know, I'm a sucker for a colorful deck. Isn't that pretty? So gorgeous. Put this over here. The Magician. High Priestess. That's cute. I like that. The dog with the crown there. Looks like it has a little sun in there. The Empress. That's beautiful. I like the colors. Even the moon back there. The Emperor. The Emperor. Yeah, look at that elephant. That is so pretty. The colors of the elephant. The Hierophant. Cute. The Lovers. The Chariot. Justice. That's cute. I like that. The Hermit. Beautiful. I like the colors on the tiger. The Wheel of Fortune. Let's see. Okay. Strength. That's pretty. Kind of looks like doesn't look like a deer, but it looks like more like a bull. Yeah. The Hanged One. Death. That's pretty. Look at those colors. Temperance. The Devil. That's pretty. I like those colors. The Tower. The Star. That is so gorgeous. So pretty. Ooh, and the moon, that's pretty too. That is gorgeous. Oh wow, the sun is pretty. They have some beautiful cards in this deck. Beautiful. I love this animal deck. Judgment. I couldn't wait to get it. The World. Oh, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Those colors. Oh my. Down to the Ace of Wands. It's beautiful. Beautiful butterfly. Two of Wands. That is gorgeous. It's just like every card in the deck, as I keep going, it just gets beautiful and beautiful. Three of Wands. So pretty. Four of Wands. Five of Wands. That is gorgeous. Six of Wands. That's a beautiful peacock. Oh my. Seven of Wands. I just love those colors. Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Pretty horse. 10 of Wands. Oh, cute thing you. Page of Wands. It's pretty. Is that a fox or a skunk? Not sure. Knight of Wands. That's pretty. It's a pretty dolphin. Queen of Wands. Oh, little mice. Cute. King of Wands. Oh my, now that is gorgeous. Oh wow. That is so gorgeous. Down to the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. That is cute. I love those colors. Three of Pentacles. All the little ants. Four of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six. Cute. Seven. Eight. Nine of Pentacles. Black kitten. 10 of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Knight. That's pretty with the bumblebee. Queen of Pentacles. She is gorgeous. That is pretty. I love the yellow. Oh, wow. That is cute. Look at that. King of Pentacles. Now for the cups. Ace of Cups. Aww. It's too cute. Two of Cups. I'm just loving this deck. Three of Cups. Now that is so cute. Aww. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Grasshoppers. Six of Cups. Oh, little puppies. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. 9 of Cups. That's cute. That's a pretty dog. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. I like that cup. Knight of Cups. That's pretty. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. On to the swords. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. Love the colors. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6. 7. 8. I like that. It's like a baby is being, like the baby is trapped in the belly. I like that. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. It's pretty. Page of Swords. Knight of Swords. Queen of Swords. That is gorgeous. It's pretty. And the King of Swords. Okay, here's the back of the card, you guys. And I'm gonna shuffle them so you can see how they shuffle. And dive into the book. See what's in there. And pull a collective card for you guys. They shuffle good now. Smooth. I love the way they shuffle. No problem there. Okay, so I'm gonna pull one for you guys here. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see what the book has. Gorgeous. Gorgeous book. I even like the colors. I'm glad that this was a color book. This is so beautiful. The content is basically introduction, how to use the cards, the meanings of the cards, the meanings of Oriens, how to use the cards, interpreting the cards, reading with tarot. It has spreads, different spreads in here, and then it goes towards the, it states with each animal. It talks about the animal, and let's see here. It talks about each animal in the major cards, major arcanas, and then it gives the description. So that's neat. And then looks like that's about it. So that's what we have so far about this deck here. And let me see what the Five of Pentacles is saying. Let's see, 7, 6, 5. There we go. Okay, so the meaning. Let's get straight to the meaning. It says poverty, struggle. Let's see. Let me just get straight to the meaning. You guys. There we go. Let's see. You're struggling to keep your head above water as your hardships compound. Hard times have hit and feel inescapable. You may have lost a job, a relationship, financial security, or something material. Whatever you lost, you've taken hits to your pride on top of it all. Try to keep things in perspective and don't let yourself succumb to despair. Despair can make everything seem like an enemy, even yourself. Look inside yourself for the positives of the situation. It may be hard to find them, but they are there. The sooner you find them, the sooner you can move on from this. So that's the upright, and then they have the reverse in here as well. All right, you guys, there you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.